if you see that when we want to change our terminal here, it's going to bring out the default, and in most cases you don't want to use the default. Let's say you go to terminal, new terminal, you're going to see that it's going to automatically bring this window subsystem for Linux WSL, which is going to be the default for what we are using. But for my project, I don't like using that. Okay, I like using something else among these links, especially Git Bash. So how do I change? How do I set my preference to Git Bash instead of the one that is already showing up? That is what I'll walk you through in this particular video. So how do you do that? The first thing you want to do, there are two ways. The long form is for you to go to file, you want to go to preference, click on preference, then go to settings. Okay, so here when you are in settings, you are going to just search for terminal integrated default profile. Okay, so make sure, let's pull this down a little. Awesome, so it's already showing at the top there. So okay, so it's going to bring this out. What you want to do, you are going to see here terminal integrated default. So you want to change this to your preference. Here I want to change this to maybe Git Bash. Okay, awesome, so it's going to change that to Git Bash, and that is the settings you need there. You can close. So that's not the only way to do it. You can as well use a shortcut. How do you do that? It's very simple. You just want to do Control Shift and press P. Okay, it's going to bring this out. So once you are here, you want to search for terminal and add the colon and do select. Okay, select default profile. So click on this one and it's going to bring this out. So in the same way, you want to select your preference. In my case, I want to use Git Bash. So you select the one you have, but you must ensure you installed your preference, your terminal preference. Okay, make sure it's installed. So in my case, it's Git Bash. So you can also select that. Okay, so it's going to, so it's going to sync that into what you're doing. So the next time you want to open it up, so after you sync all of those settings, the next time if I want to go to terminal, new terminal, if I click on new terminal, automatically it's going to give me Git Bash instead of the previous one. So that is the settings you want to set up for your VS Code. I believe this helps. Thank you. If you want more videos, just click on the next video about VS Code Fix, the one displaying up on your screen. Click on it and watch. I'll see you in the next video.